If you've been feeling unmotivated lately, like even simple things take more effort than they should, this isn't because you're lazy. It might be because you're mentally drained. And when that happens, pushing harder doesn't help. It just makes everything feel heavier. So for the next few minutes, you don't need to try. You don't need to fix anything. Just stay here. Take a slow breath in and let it fall out gently. Again, slow breath in and a soft, easy exhale. Let your shoulders drop slightly, your jaw soften, your body begin to settle. You don't have to force relaxation. You're just allowing it to happen. Because when you've been mentally drained, your system has been under constant pressure. Thinking, processing, trying to keep up. And over time, that builds up quietly until even small things start to feel like too much. So right now, we're not going to push through that. We're going to ease out of it. Take another slow breath in. And as you breathe out, ask yourself gently, what has been taking the most energy from me lately? You don't need a perfect answer. Just notice what comes up. It might be too many decisions, too much thinking, too much pressure to get things right. And here's something important to understand. Mental exhaustion isn't fixed by doing more. It's eased by reducing load. So instead of asking, how do I do more? Try asking, what can I make simpler? Take a breath in, and as you exhale, see if you can identify one thing, just one, that you don't need to carry right now. It could be a decision that can wait, a problem you don't have to solve today, a pressure you've been putting on yourself. And for this moment, let it go. Not forever, just for now. Feel what that does in your body. Even a small release creates space, and that space is where your energy begins to return. Take another slow breath and let your body soften again. Because motivation doesn't come from force. It comes from having enough energy to move. And energy returns when things feel manageable again, not overwhelming. So instead of trying to fix everything, see if you can shift into something smaller, simpler, more realistic. Maybe that means doing one small task instead of 10, taking a proper break instead of pushing through, or allowing yourself to move slowly, without pressure. Take a breath in And as you breathe out, let go of the idea that you need to be operating at your best right now. You're allowed to be in a lower energy state without judging it, without fighting it. Because this isn't failure, it's recovery. And recovery is part of progress, not separate from it. Stay here for a moment, breathing slowly, letting your mind settle, letting your body soften, and notice that when the pressure reduces, even slightly, things begin to feel a little more possible. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to feel completely motivated. You just need a little more space and a little less weight. Take one more slow breath in and a gentle breath out. And as you come back, carry this with you. You're not lazy. You've just been carrying too much, and things can begin to shift when you allow yourself to carry less. Just like this.